I came to see our sports dietitian because of an injury. I realized that my nutrition would play a big part in the healing process. I'm one of those athletes that is very concerned with being healthy. My performance on the soccer field is really important. I found that I was often hesitant to eat because I wasn't sure what was good for me. The sports dietitian sat down with me and helped me create a fueling schedule, which is basically a meal plan. We wrote down my class and workout schedule, which is really intense. We then strategically assigned times for meals and pre- and post-workout snacks. She even gave me recipes and ideas for shopping and cooking. I'm all healed up now and had a really successful season. I'm much more confident in what I eat. I have a much healthier relationship with food than I did before my injury. This confidence and knowledge I will use for the rest of my life. We really appreciate all the help from the United Dairymen of Idaho.